Okay, this is my lesson 4, playing blues on the bass guitar. This is the level 1, or the easiest version of our blues on bass. So we have 4 strings. The topmost string is E, and then going down A, D, and G. And the top 4 strings are the same letter names, they're the same notes as for a normal guitar, which makes it a little bit easier to remember. Just we don't have the 2 bottom strings that a guitar would have, just the 4 top ones. So if we're going to play a 12-bar blues using a bass guitar, the easiest place to start is just with bass notes. So if the whole band is playing an A chord on the bass guitar, what we do is we play an A note. And that's the most basic way of playing bass guitar along with a song. So we're playing 12-bar blues in the key of A, and you can see there's a lot of A's in our 12-bar blues, so that sort of makes sense. We're in the key of A. I won't dig any deeper into that, and if I'm confusing you, let it go. There's lots of A's because we're in the key of A. And then we have lots of open strings in this one. In fact, they are all open strings, as signified by the zeros here, which means I don't need to put any fingers on any frets to play this piece. My hand can just hold the guitar, and really all the work's being done by my right hand. So the A string here is the second one down. Remembering our tab is kind of the other way up, and if this confuses you, just lay the guitar flat, and then it matches whatever you have on the paper tab. Alright, and then you can sort of work out which string you need, and go, right, this one, hold it back up, okay, I'm there. So here I'm the second one from the top. On the sheet music, it's actually second from the bottom, so don't let that mess you up. I'm going to try and position this. That is an A underneath there. I'm going to try and position this so we can sort of see both me and the music. I'm going to block out a little bit of the music, but that's okay. I'll bring this down a bit. Alright, so to play this one, we have 2 open string notes per bar, and there's 4 beats in each bar. So each one of these notes goes for 2 beats. So when we're counting, we would do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm doing one note per 2 beats. And because there's 4 beats in a bar, that means I can fit 2 notes in each bar. You can actually do this lots of ways. You could do 1 note per beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you wanted to, but this music just has the 2. So a bit of a demo of this one now. So starting from the start, counting myself in. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm coming towards the end of that line, and I'm going to switch to the D string now. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, back to the A there. So I'm coming towards the end of the second line, and now the last line I go to E, 2, 3, then D, 2, 3, 4, and A, 2, 3, and back to E, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. That is the easiest 12-bar blues for bass guitar that you will see. Good luck with that.